Hi guys, this is Project 2 Commerce of CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. Here in our website we have 5 models, one for bits, one for categories, one for comments, one for items and one for users. Let me go to our website. The user should log in to create an option. So let me first log in with the username and password. The user should go to the create listing page and enter the details of the item. The image field and the category field are optional. When I click create, the item has added to our active listings page. And the active listing page contains all the items that are active. All listing page contains the items that are present in our website. The user can view the entire details of an item by clicking the view button. So when I click view, the entire details of the items are displayed in our website. So let me log in with the another user. Um, the user can add a particular item to the watch list. So when I click add to the watch list, the item has added to our watch list page. And when I click remove from watch list, the item has removed from watch list page. Let me just bid on the item, and the bid should be greater than the current price. If it's lower or equal, it displays with an error message. So let me type the bid which is equal. It says that your bid should be larger than the current price. So let me place a valid bid. Now the bid has been placed, and the user who has created the auction has the ability to close the auction. So let me log in with the user who has created it. So when I click close, the auction got closed, and which makes the last bidded user the winner. So if the last bidded user has logged in, it says that he or she has won the auction. So when I go to the watch list page and when I click view, it says that congrats, you have won the auction. And in our watch list page, all the items that are added to the watch list are displayed in this website, sorry, in this page. And we can also filter the items in our website by category. So when I click sport, the category the items under the category sport are displayed. And I click toy, so there is no item that are currently active, so it's under the category toy, so it says that no items in this category are active. You can, you can also add the comments to an item. So let's add a comment. Nice book. When I click add comment, the comment has been added to our website. And you can also delete or edit the item or delete the comment from our admin interface. So let me first log in with the super user. So when I go to an item and I click Thanos, and when I click delete, the item got deleted. So through admin interface we can also do changes in our database. That's all. Thank you guys.